We've got a lot to talk about for your weekend weather. Of course, 4 days in a row where the temperatures have stayed in the 50s all day, overnight lows in the 40s. We've literally for 4 days had a temperature range of 9 degrees, 4 days in a row. We're like in this very cold terrarium. Well, right now we have fog around. It's already formed here as we close the day. It's going to be around the rest of the night and all morning tomorrow. A dense fog advisory is out till noon on Sunday. Now, it does include our eastern counties, but it does include the Metroplex. And we're already starting to see a lot of visibility problems around the Metroplex, especially to the north. We have visibilities down to a quarter mile in Waxahachie, in some areas across the Metroplex as well, where we have visibilities down to a quarter mile. So please be careful driving out there. This problem is going to be around for the rest of the night. This problem is going to be around tomorrow night. We have the threat of severe weather here. It's going to be in the evening and overnight hours. Large hail will be the primary threat from any thunderstorm that moves over your neighborhood. Damaging wind also a problem. There is a low tornado threat. I've outlined it in red from I-20 across the Metroplex and up towards the Red River. This is an area we'll have to watch in the overnight hours for possibilities of tornadoes. Again, the risk is small. It's just not zero. Futurecast we go. The clouds, the drizzle, the light rain around all night. In fact, as we get into the afternoon, the rain will be picking up in intensity. When the warm front arrives here at the close of day into the evening hours, that's when the severe weather threat starts to pick up. So the winds will pick up out of the south a little bit, and we will start seeing strong thunderstorms kind of across North Texas. Mostly along the Red River is the area I'm really watching, because that's the area I'm most concerned about. That low pressure system moving across like around Wichita Falls will help really get some thunderstorms going. This is the hour when the worst of the weather could be possible. It'll be late at night through the overnight hours. So please stay next to a weather radio. Please stay close to a television. We might have some severe weather going on in the overnight hours. You can see this is at 4 in the morning. This is at 6 in the morning on Monday. Everything moving off to the east. So the threats, again, tornado risk is small, not zero. Wind damage and hail, especially large hail, the biggest threat from these thunderstorms tomorrow night and through the overnight hours. As far as potential rainfall, we could have some areas that get as much as 2 inches of rain where there is some heavy rain. But here is the good news. After 4 days in a row of clouds and drizzle and a day of storms, we're finally going to see some sunshine and peaceful weather. We just have to wait till Monday, and temperatures for a couple of days at least will be in the 60s. So Sunday is the day to watch. That's an 80% chance of rain and thunderstorms through the day, in the evening, and through the overnight into Monday morning. And then we don't have to worry about thunderstorms again until we get to Saturday. Just some typical temperatures between now and then. And fortunately, some sunshine. I'd like to emphasize that shows up on Monday.